You
Yo.
see me?
I'm coward, I'm
Brother
coward,
Rosalie,
gang.
a coward,
Yo.
brother. Me
Pamela.
that feel like
Yo.
we feel, brother, if me did do one.
Rosalie,
But I
he
tell
need sit
you.
down. Rosalie did a
Live
drive
goal.
in front of Khandy. He
We're
opened
gonna
the
live
door
goal on team.
and come out of the car. Can he sit
Triple
down
chat.
on the
We're
beam
gonna
of
live on
window?
team. We're gonna live goal on team,
Me don't know where
please.
she come out of the car for.
The girl them out of the door did a go murder and blood in there.
Yo. I can't tell on big man.
Girl, them
Oh,
thought you are
Diamond.
Winnie
Yo.
out
The
there.
girl them not give him
Empress
some
Angel,
bumbuckler
thank
at
you,
least.
triple
Help
chat.
me team.
Remember me tell you, the girl them not give him some pussy clear
My
at least.
team, we're gonna next live goal now upon the board more team. Me then
Team
a
better
face.
snap a live goal.
Brother, and you know why fucked up thing? Me I don't know. She come and she don't want to talk about nothing. She come pan live and she don't want to talk about the situation. Why she don't want to talk about the situation? Because she afraid.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if made it upon the beat and can't see. Upon the screen, dancehall artist Khandy is not holding back about the rumors that I heard earlier spread by Pops YG. She is confirming that the things they got on with Rosealee, and you know Rosealee, they take like some type of you know what. You see my people putting in the comment section what you think about that, because earlier Rosealee went live and trying to dance around the situation. We posted that up on the Boom Bye Bye news channel. But as you can see, Khandy says she not dance around, she not go run the kind of thing, you know. A straight business she give you see master, and she let you know say things they pop off. You know what I mean? And Rosealee did have to walk off, cause police and all of these things, you know. Right? So that's why Rosealee should have just come forward and tell fair side of the story, because no, it kinda make her look like she really afraid, you know. Yeah, my people. Anyway, let's hear what I go on for to go on and proceed with the next segment.
Bamba wally that girl. Fuck ya do. Pamian. I call it like a conjuring. When me see, I made that me head I get stuck back in my car. Style me have to use for the police them. Me have to go talk like me I lock your door for you and like me I go away. You see when them go so I feel like me go flick it out. Me go so flick off the door now. Come out I door spring out. Remember me no big and fat and swatty, you know. Me come like a spring. Remember when me dey on stage, me I run up and down a flick and a split and a boom, you know. Me fit, you know. Me's a fit girl. Me fit. So when them things say, me lock the door now, me go say I lock the door and say, alright, then back off. Pick out the door and jump out. Call me, I call go up on top of the car, me say, cause when me come out, me think say she out there where she there. Me have to try go up on top of the car for spot out Rosealee. Me not see her. Everybody start cuss now. Me stop on the corner road and look for Rosealee. What you mean lie? How the fuck me fear tell lie when even if it depend video, me don't need to tell lie about this. Well, mommy, mama, me so come. Why me need to tell lie about something where possibly depend video and me see people out there video and make video?
Lock the door, person.
Brother, anyway, me don't need to lie about nothing. Because you see me, this not benefit me in no way. Unless you don't follow me, make it benefit me. Give me some for. Oh, me dey watch it tonight. Me dey Hunters Club tonight. I prefer my Ochi. Tonight, 5 o'clock now. Bro, me don't need, first of all, she always a talk about who and clout or far. Brother, from man in all of this are going in and me I say, so, me can't bother, but people genuinely want to know what I want. Because people are make up story, people are this, people are say I'm me a trouble her, people are say I she lip in my face, people are say I'm me lick her in her face. So me I say, alright, what else? What the fuck me feel look clout for you when you first come about me 3 different times on the media? You see me? Then no, you come for me in person. I could have won me there, make you hate me so. And I just come and say anything with Pops so no work with. Like dead ass, like even if it did happen, me da win. Like, me could clack it. Pops know. Everybody know. Like, we know. Me da win. For true. Would that me da win? First of all, if let me tell you what I don't know winning situation. Let me tell you. I want to winning situation. You see fear when me see come over on her face when she's actually say me a come out to her, that alone make me win and me need even touch her yet. You see fear is a fucked up thing. Fear we make you dead. Hear? Fear we make you dead. A fear make whole heap of people dead. Fear. I see the fear will come in her mama face because she never expect me forget so. She never expect it, me I tell you. Remember when the woman come for her town and same so she a try walk away from the woman and brother June just see like say she bad. Me no know who about something mama about you. Me no know who I make mama feel like say she a shit, brother. When the woman come for her town, she a try walk out the woman. And I turn but what? Remember she said now I look one jeans dress. Me don't know who I fuck with mama but I feel like he can fly up on anybody. Sick man. Me? Yo, me glad you see me in trouble me, you know, cause you see through me know so me head sick down. Me just want make an example out of one day. Me just want make an example out of one ever trouble me and I talk about and spit pan and fuck pan. Brother, me I tell you, dog. Brother, may I tell you, say, look when me see in a rebel eye, brother. Rosealee, for just God, say me have respect for rebel youth, may I tell you. Brother, hurt me, brother, told me, he hurt me, just, brother, me feel a way you, may I tell you, cause me have to literally stop and look on rebel so. Me have to stop and look in a rebel face and rebel and beg me say, yo, charge you low, brother, and go on. Low and go on. Me say, Rosealee. Ah, boy. Really and truly, everything at me for a reason. Cause me go that fuck her up out there and do her something, dog, and me end up go jail. You see, me say probably not even Rosealee this did for protect myself. Cause me I tell you, oh me did in a rage last night. Something would have happened and me that probably regret it in the long after. So I would have not even rose to thank God for rebel. I should have probably had me to thank God for rebel. I tell you.
Khandy, me never know, sir. One blood clot, Khandy. Pretty Dan, your sister on the line, me I tell.
Khandy, you should have fight him. Me no business where you want to say you should have fight him.
No business with you, you know. No business with you, you know. No business with you.
You should have fight him. Sorry.
Oh, no, me not with you, Pretty Dan, you know.
Pretty Dan. Me not tell her like, Khandy dig off Rosealee.
You should have fight him, bro.
Pretty
Dig
Dan.
off your face.
Listen up.
Khandy, I did have one knife. I feel me security take one knife right here when him pop out the gun saying.
You should have pushed him down a ground and kick him down a ground.
No, he didn't like car. Khandy didn't like car.
What year you the troubler? No, you never troubler. She do that. You go in a party, she a troubler. Why you never kick him down? Who did I go give you wrong, Khandy? Nobody at all was gonna give you wrong. Who done a run up and down with one big medal for your boy? Right now, put him in place.
Pretty Dan. Wait now, before we start all of this. Remember say I multiple times you bring me down. So you see, before me and you start talking, me can't play hypocrite. Me I sing one song for you first and your holy song. And then you can talk. I mean you can be friend after this. Yo, Pretty Dan, remember you get cancer from your try style ninja man. Boom bye bye, buju bantan. I go down with this a little batty man. Eh? You say cocky juice in a me chow, but a blood the pie your mouth and you am campanar period and cargo batty out a 10 man batty you, that's why you pussy on your mouth. Batty you lick out that them go all about you can't be down because of him you want be like your cocky not so long liquor dirty sodomite you even sure your gender cocky pussy termite pansexual bitch hermaphrodite. Alright. Yeah, where you say go on now?
Pretty Dan.
Eh? Me I have a friend now, cause me can't get focus.
You can't do forward, man. You win.
Yes. Alright.
Candy that one blood clot ratchet them. It's 6 bills ratchet them.
When you start crawl out, I can't.
Yo, no people never did that tell us a whole heap of police. Then they said, now we realize why she not retaliate certain way.
Yo, me I tell you, say no get stab up, man.
Right,
no, listen up, pretty Dan. Me tell you no. If police them come, when them see me with the ratchet, when them see say yo, me go stab her up.
Yes.
And so come the police, them come and the security them, because no one was there. Pop security them fly on, and the police them, 3 police are try pin me down. 1 police pop off him gun pa me.
I'm a security, another police, I'm a security.
Him pop off him gun pa me, and the whole of them are try to take the ratchet, call up to now, me still have ratchet in me, and I tell them for back up. Me say, back up. You don't want to get caught? Back up.
Serious talk, man.
Yes, when them say I'm head sick, brother. Then the man them literally let me go so. I'm go so cause me I hold up the traffic. Me go so I'm say alright. Me let go the traffic and me go up on the roadside go park.
Yes, out that
when
gate.
Me go up on the roadside go park, me come out and me can't say me say Rosealee. Where Rosealee there? Me can't find Rosealee. Me I look for Rosealee. No why you want we are look for Rosealee. We are two. Yes, so because I'm say
she do all of that and then run Khandy.
Gone, I'm not telling you, brother.
Pretty Dan. Fuck Khandy come try to slip through your window. If me tell you where Rosealee turn, me a lice bomb buckler.
No.
Fuck Khandy about your window. If me tell you where Rosealee turn, I disappear bomb buckler Rosealee disappear.
I tell us that if you
Pretty Dan.
Me tell us that from she see how me I go, how me I look. From she see how me I crawl, come out of the window like a conjuring back where me I crawl. So I come out with the blood clot knife. Me see fear upon mama face, she literally turn away. Come me decide to go. Traffic.
So what is that?
Out of my car.
So what on that? What she do left on the bike?
No. Diamond.
Dad did that.
Pretty Dan, you hear me? Pretty Dan.
No, Akeem never. Let me tell you.
A
Big
Diamond.
I thought was the. I think
Diamond put him in a beamer.
Diamond, yeah, them in a beamer. I saw you get Pops.
I don't like beamer.
My MVP, love you. Remember team who want
Them did in a
only
beamer in front
first
of
team.
me.
Only for
Akeem,
the
them
Yeah,
see
yeah.
around on the
Thank you so
bike
much.
going on our next part.
He was my phone.
I tell you, man. Yo.
You see me?
Family. Rosealee, he did sit down. Rosealee did a drive in front of Khandy. He opened the door and come out of the car. Khandy sit down on the window.
We're gonna live goal on the team.
I don't know what she come out of the car for.
The girl them out of the door did go murder and blood.
Yo. I can't tell you this, man.
Girl, them can't do that. We out there.
The girl them not give him some bomb buckler.
Triple chat.
Remember me tell you, the girl them not give him some pussy
My team, we're gonna next live goal now upon the board monster. Me then
I'm going to snap a live goal.
Brother, and you know why fucked up thing? Me I don't know. She come and she don't want to talk about nothing. She come on live and she don't want to talk about the situation. Why she don't want to talk about the situation? Because she afraid. She catch her coward when time when me come out of the car pan her. Cause you know Rosealee, brother, should have come and say, oh, some girl, like some girl of them PS. Should have, even if she did in the right, she knows that she in the wrong cause she walk me down from, she come off of the stage charge. Diamond fear look pan her and say, yo, mama, low that. And she walk me down. We are walk and she walk me down. Me I tell her say, oh, me know a coward. Me in the ears, me foot a wobble in the ears. Mama could have easy well push me. She wait till me sit down in my car and drive. Yeah, come push your hand to my car. So me a crawl out of that, come show you say, mama, me and somebody fi play with, no ramp with me. Don't ramp with me. When she actually see said me whole demeanor, my face come like a dopey reach for me, youth. Cause she did me a walk, I there, nyam fuck. The nyam come from your tree, dirty girl. So me say, yo, brother, for nobody no call me name good. Call me name no. Call me name. When me say so, she shut up and I walk go down the road. You see me? Figure it out, stop him car in front of me, come out of the car, come on my car. Bitch, are you crazy, you mad? What you Anna doing on my property, bitch? Me will fuck you up, man. But I mean, tell us, a rebel save me and a rebel. Triple chat. A rebel save me and a because me know me that they are prison right now. Me that they in a jail right now. I do statement or something. Me I tell you. to me emotional when me a talk to family God about the situation, bro. Ball me one ball. You when me
Well,
not
man.
triple
Yo,
chat.
Rosalie get fucked up
Yes,
and
thank
even
you, my dear
realize.
Shanda.
Saying get fucked up. Come here, tell us, Ratchet, babble.
Pretty
No, but
pretty
you know
dad.
what?
Dan, you see
Between
first
me,
two
them
get out of it.
would lock up Khandy, and me just glad say
And
Khandy
Dan,
no
me no
beat
want.
them.
What I know? But the first two
Them
can
would lock up Khandy.
I know them not for clean shit up for fire.
Brother, me I tell you, say a gunny man papa for me, police.
Remember me tell you that bomb buckler time.
Them
The
you
three
never
of
do
them,
Khandy
watch
something.
know? One of them, cause when me dey up on the car, you know, cause me I tell you, say, me I go up on my car top for see if me can find Rosealee in the crowd, you know. So me can run, I'll fly, me a fly up.
That's why you go on the car top, cause you look for she.
Yes, me I look for her. Cause me I crawl out of my window. Cause them wall on my door, so me can't come out, so me I crawl. So when me do get for pull the door now, me start crawl go up on my car, cause me decide to alright, cause me no see her now. When she fly up her back on my window, me no see her. She disappear by the time me reach come out. So me
Jaden,
a
me tell you
climb
something,
up
dog.
on my car top now if you see
Yes,
me
you can,
can't
bro.
find her. It's a
Me now got-
satellite dish
yo.
not on you now. Me a
Me tell you
look.
something, Dan. Dan,
The
me wanna
me
know
see
what's
that
happening.
crowd, gone.
So when me go say crawl go up on the top now, is a maga police boy. Me see crawl up on it with me to a latch on for me so. And I
So
try
the
to
fuck
take
you
her
reach
knife.
by your car, all him need a blood clot, push it, you should have
Then
shoot
that
him
me a
out.
show you brother. Alright, me dead.
Then me hear Khandy, I tell the police say we cut Rosealee throat and cut back film throat too.
Yeah,
But
man,
she
so
know.
me.
me say,
Yo, Dan, they close
me say I want you. Me kill him out and cut on me own a throat. I want to the man. Eh? You don't know nothing about me. I let me go to you know. I say that
That's
pop
why
off
police
him
them
gun.
in a grab her.
Me say you
Then
man
take
tell
away
you
our
this.
knife from her, then take away our knife.
No,
Take
no.
a which knife.
Them a get a
No,
knife.
no,
Can't have a
no.
knife same
How
way.
are you, brother? Me hold on for my knife. Me I tell you say I try to take my knife, then pop off gun. Me say officer, me cut her throat and kill myself out. I want to know. You don't know me how? Eh?
True.
Me kill her myself out of this man. Yo,
So
run
you win,
Rosealee.
Khandy. You win.
Brother, yes, yo. Me say run
Formula
Rosealee
boss.
where Rosealee
No.
dead.
Me I
Where
tell the
Rosealee
people them
dead.
say
Run Rosealee, you know.
Khandy
Me
dig
stop
off
on island and
Rosealee
kill
face.
myself out. Me I tell her I'm in a business.
Yo,
Yeah,
I
me
can't
give
tell
me
you, man.
the-
Yo,
Nobody want to say. Nobody in a business. Fuck the Rosealee. I want to join.
coward, man.
No, but hold on now. Let me
What
show
the
you
fuck
what
you
where
fly
you
up
go
your
right.
back for? Where you push
No,
up your back for?
they
Yeah, all I know, people, this is not a good look because, well, Diamond was on her live saying if I war, you know. And Diamond's a big woman, big enough to be them people, her mother. I talk about all them foolishness there, you know. You see, man, I say, because who's really going to war for Rosealee? Surely not a king. You see, man. You know what I mean? But anyway, people, I'm not going along with this no longer. And plus, you know, Ramesh is rolling with Khandy too. So if I war, you know, they're going to start excluding, you know, Diamond and, you know, figure it out and Akeem and all of these things. And things. Listen, man, I say. But we're not going along with this no longer. You see, man, I say, my people. Bless.